Yeah, easy spice. Yeah, go on the girl.
What have I done?
There, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me have something fresh, man, from me. Something they'll show it to you, you know. I true me busy, man. That's why I not to get. Well, I know a thing, you know. Sometimes I true not to out there in a broadcast this again, so you know, say I saw a thing said, but don't worry yourself, man. It hot, man. But we'll chat it to you now. I'll send it to your email and I'll make you take a listen to it, car. But I want to hear a little flavor upon it, you know. You like your flavor, I like your flavor, I like your spice what you have there. Alright, bless up yourself. Yo, Puppy Don. Where you go on with, man? Yo, me have a new rhythm in my general way. Me send it on you. Make you can, you see me? Take a listen and what make all the vibes and do a new song for you. Yeah, man, the rhythm hot, man. Yeah, me the right out on the road or so. Just go and circle. Alright then, cool.
Oh, man.
Everything normal?
Yeah, man, everything normal.
Yo, me I tell you now, I have a brand new rhythm and I spend enough money on it now. I make a year still.
Yeah, man.
Anything go. But where you going to do?
There, so producer dog. Say you mash up TV, you know. You tear down your place with the hot rhythm, you know. You know, we get the youth, you know. Name Puppy Dan, you know. And give me a rhythm, man. And I bad rhythm, man. And I drop a bad song on it.
Yeah, man, a simple match up, man. Just go and link me up at the studio. Cause I don't like the young artists make me rhythm, you know. You have it all over your place. But just go and link me up at the studio. Take my number. I'm put fair nights here, man. Alright, just link me in.
Alright, so you link up.
Yeah, man, bless you. Nah, man. Fresh and balling. Name them a calling.
But wait. Hello, sir. Are you a big producer when you're raw dog?
Yeah, what I mean, say, man.
But you're hot, man.
True.
You run the place red, me like what you do. You sell off. I never know something could have seen man like you.
Nah, man, my place is that, you know.
Me like how you look.
Yeah.
You run the place though. You're hot.
On,
So what go on? Me glad to me see you me see on TV.
Me say, man.
Me can't believe to me see you.
I mean, man.
No man, I me like how you look.
True. So
Anyway, you know, so me have one man though, do music. Yes, he hot, he can sing good, he bad, he voice turn up. But when he young, he no boss it. Would I like you fi give me some rhythm for me?
No, me have one brand new rhythm I work on.
I like.
I have something brand new, man, but me can send it to you and make you take a listen to it and all the vibes and then you can go from there. So.
But me not carry my phone with me, you know, I left my phone.
You left your phone?
But you can ring my phone and make your number go in. When I go, I just save it.
Alright, then no problem. Put your number now.
Alright.
You look good to do. You can come and studio call me and left your man in there. I have to make you know so you come up by the studio here.
Eh?
You have to make a man know so you come up by the studio. You can link me too. You know the thing go.
You don't have no woman?
No, but just teach you instruments. Yeah, man, I'm out just man. Alright. Hello. Good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, morning.
My day.
You know, see so much nice one there around Panda Lane and stuff. What's your name?
So nice about me. Apple.
What's Apple? Yeah. Yeah, Apple what Bible talk about. Yeah. So give me a link now. Can talk sometime.
But you know my man do and I can't do that.
You have a man?
Yeah.
You don't know how to talk, don't you?
No, sir, I don't know you.
I mean, name Raw Dog, fly go everywhere. England, USA, Canada, Germany, Italy, Africa. Everywhere me there. Spain, France, everywhere. Music.
Me hear about you before, though, but
And me produce Vibes Cartel music.
no, sir.
April, how we are doing so?
No man has stop me.
We are doing so.
No man has stop me.
Direction me and
One on
action
the yard.
from my boss.
Yo, look, you see that girl you lower, you know. April, how long no since me there?
Long time.
A market catch your eye?
No, sir.
But when me talk about G-Wagon, yo, don't play with me now. Come on.
You have G-Wagon too.
You better mind what you say, you know. Come go in the yard, man.
Me have G-Wagon too.
Rasta, man. Producer Raw Dog. Yo!
Yo, bro, what's up, man?
Man.
Yo. These niggas around here, they're dark, man.
Yo,
They're wild.
sometimes. Well, you know, based on the cloudy atmosphere.
Bro, I just literally see a little girl. And the Rasta, I just see this Rasta guy just come and grab her, man.
One Rasta guy? Eh?
Bro,
Rough.
it's crazy, man. But
Rough. But
I'm telling you, I have a new rhythm, man. I think it is still, isn't it?
Come on, give thanks, man.
Real international vibes, and I know you have a little international vibes, isn't it?
Same.
So I know
give thanks.
I'm not normal.
Alright. Yeah, man, you know, so right down there, some live, brother, right down there, some live. So guess what now, man, I'm just going to start it out right now, cause guess what now? We just want to get it right and do it right away, you know what I mean? So just send it to me.
No,
right
so I
now,
think I
so.
say I live still, but I'm never really quite sure exactly. But
Yeah, man.
everything good though.
I tell you, nice, man. Just come off of the road some more, go in and go sort out that thing there right now, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, man, Raw Dog, I really appreciate the effort and the connection, because, you know,
Bro, you
enough
know a
things.
thing, man. You know a thing, man.
Yeah.
You know work I've put in, and
Yeah, man.
what we're doing now is not even for now. It's for a lifetime.
Lifetime.
You know, it's music, so you know it's
Lifetime.
gonna live forever. You know.
True.
So you know, so normal. So put in the work, bro.
Yeah, man, that man right now, because, you know, based on even the lyrical content, more talk some things, man, you know what I mean, about my mind
yes,
and
man,
some
because
things of people.
that the international artists them love. So you know, say do the right thing, but.
Yeah, man.
Bless up
definitely.
yourself,
What you
still,
mean,
bro.
man? Just send it to me so I can just go down so go start.
Alright,
Here,
then,
brother.
no problem, man.
And
No-
we shall
no-
gather. You know what I
Alright,
mean?
bless up yourself,
Yeah,
see?
man. Respect our man. Yes, sir.
I'm there.
You keep safe now, Raw Dog. You know what I mean? Bless up yourself.
Whoa. You know I think, go.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me get the rhythm, man. Me get the rhythm. So I'm gonna start out and I want just full of vibes and so on. Yeah, man, cause from there, just that up in my mind, like, free up. You know what I mean? And so I can talk on the rhythm. Cause some rhythm talk you differently, you know. You know, so more have to see if I can get a nice vibe. Yeah, right. You good?
How are you the phone at that too?
How about that? Alright, I'm soon short it, man. How about that?
How long will I call you? Don't you chat to girl on phone?
No, no girl, me a chat from my phone. So what make a happy girl me a chat to?
You never see me that call you?
No, here when me did the signal never work, so I couldn't get to contact you.
So how it work for you to talk
No,
on
because
phone
me
now?
do that's one thing, you know, our phone system got ready, man. But I the producer me a talk to. Can me get the rhythm, you know? Get the rhythm, big rhythm more if you hear what I go on. Or go hear what I go on. I'll stop before this, but sure. You cook from? Yeah?
Nope. You have to go buy food.
Yeah. Yo, look the vibes of it, cause yo, that the rhythm reach. You say love, but you push it. Said I won't make it, but you're just too late. Remember, say you say love, but You like
Like
it?
it, nice.
You sure?
Yeah, man, me love it.
Come on,
Nice.
finish off the thing. You know what I mean?
Go and go bed.
Hmm?
Go and
What
go
you do?
bed. And come back home. Babes, go and go bed and come back and sing your side song to me.
But you like it, vibe?
Me love it, it's so
Alright,
nice.
true, I guess I know I'm hot and thing.
Yeah. Really?
You can't get it? Hmm?
Let me get it here.
Are you okay, come?
Yeah, go on.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
What will you? I'm going to go against much problem.
Me and Free come on from China.
Journey. Oh, well, that's so nice. Alright, so, alright.
Alright, you told it, alright.
Babe, I tell you, you put a forward, man. You see a forward.
But you have something.
Bit, but I can't hear tripping at the time and stuff. But yo, it's alright, everything good. But guess what? When you hear the rhythm good, man, and hear the thing
Yeah,
properly.
play back now.
Alright, come on. The rhythm, more of a singing song to you, so you can understand
Yeah,
what
go
I'm
on sing now.
You ready?
Yeah.
You sure? Alright, you are one. You say love, but you push hate. You said I wouldn't make it, but you're just too late. Remember, say love, but still you pushing hate. You said I wouldn't make it, but you're just too late.
Hold on. It sound like it misses something.
Missing something.
It sound nice now, but it sound like it misses one hot DJ, man. Yeah, warm to the fire Rasta.
You know, say me can't really get him for true. Cause I guess I know. You're right. Me feel say one DJ pan if you kind of bring one nice little vibe to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You might check Fire, man. Cause Fire, you lyrical too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, some vibes, alright. Me check
Yeah,
him
man.
as well.
Check him, man.
Alright. Yeah, because him really can give me a good idea. So I'm going to see what I'm going to check him, man. And then forward. Cause babe, more to get this thing done soon, right away. So, but it's still, everything alright though. You know, say everything nice, you know what I mean? Look at smile then, keep a smile and don't drop a smile, yeah?
Hello? Stop arguing, no sorry about that, man. You not come back. You just gone in there, you can't come back. What do you mean you not come back? I want a little something. Alright, whatever.
Fire! Humbug, what about my general? How things?
There, hold it off, you know.
Everything good, boss?
Yeah, man, there, but no, things are good though. Things are good.
See, what I'm going on, boy, cause, yo, I kind of want you to help me look a bike.
Yo, before you go even further, I'm show you something. About me there, go and burn off a bike. Me I try to deal with it now. Cause if you know what go on to the pan lane, you.
What going?
If you know what go on to the pan lane, yeah. If you know what go on to the pan lane, yo, the whole lane go for red up.
Sing.
Actually, me hide the thing way down. So by the time I got the place and I dig up, if you rise it. By the time I come on and I see the road clear, no one there. No one look at you come on a Mark X. You know what I mean? And see me sister on the road and she. He might try perplex.
Yes,
don't know if much I beg her sex. You know? I'm see about phone. Like she
Want to take your
willing
number?
to receive text. Me don't know what she try to do. Me say, yo, so I reach out there. Daddy, I say it's like a fireball.
Rough.
You know what I do? I carry her in and say, must steer under some good ground and the person and dig up the thing because the youth are running out, you know. Come tell my woman say, me go drive G-Wagon.
See.
So I don't end up on the road and I talk to people in the Mark X. Me vex.
Understand
So anything you have to tell I say,
Yeah.
you can't tell like tomorrow. Tell like tomorrow right now. You can hear what? The brain of the know yourself.
You understand.
No, after I dig it up under the nothing with me, I have to dig up at the place again and put it back down there again.
Rough, that one a rough, for sure.
So nobody no get hurt. Only me alone, my feeling hurt. I tell her that.
Understand, me understand.
So you see right now, any meditation on my wall, me now hold it tonight.
Understand what I'm going.
Now burn one weed
Alright.
and cool down.
Fire. Nobody do nothing out of the now, man. Because you don't know things. Sometimes ups and sometimes down. But you don't know you have to control the grounds. You know what I mean? So
I don't know about the down part, you know. I
you are
always,
one.
you may say to you, man.
Yes, sir.
You see, not talk to I.
Yeah.
Not try to but down. Our people go down.
True.
See
true.
there? Now,
Down.
give me one different one.
Right,
Give me
go
one
on.
with
That
Now
I
with
get
that.
one.
Get one for me.
I get a wisdom forward. Yo, but here we are going. Just hold the vibes until tomorrow.
Go on.
See?
Go on.
Until tomorrow, hold the vibes. See?
Yeah.
Cool. Where's that? Fire, yo, hold the wrist, bro. Man, that's orange.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
No
and
sour.
tomorrow. Yes, sir.
No sour.
Oh, yeah, come back here.
You don't know what I want. Eh? You don't know what I want.
So you still vex about what go on?
Me no must vex. Me no must vex. Me tell about what kind of vehicle me tell me go buy for me driving now?
G-Wagon.
G-Wagon. See you can't wait for G-Wagon. Or you stop a market, so Max man tap you.
Yeah, but me no know the man.
But why you stop? Why you stop?
Cause him say man talk to me, so me I hear what I say, me not be rude to him and be disrespectful. That's why I stop and
Oh, you still a look like you look for him. The market's gone. Oh, you look over my shoulder.
Me not look over your shoulder. You me I look pan.
So I see you look to, hey, you know, say me go for, you know. Me tell you, you know, say me go for. Me not tell you.
Yeah, you tell me that.
So you can't wait.
So now wait, me I wait.
So oh, you stop for that man on roadside to man a drive markets.
Me not fancy film.
Me see the bicycle man a stop you, you not stop. But markets man make you stop. A joke around me. A mash you try mash me up. You see when a man stop you on road, you don't stop after in a bus stop. You walk go home. You have your man. From them call to you say, yo, you have your man. You laugh. I laugh, you laugh at me.
No,
I'm mad, I'm mad.
say.
Eh? How about your daughter? You want to see the wrong side? Laugh again if you think about it. Come go on.
Fine.
Tell us I'm finding, but boy, you know that one mad vibes, like sitting somebody trouble him or something, you know, because then I talk about some story and some things, and I say, yo, man say, in a lane I one guy who drive it, and I look for him, oh man, you know what I mean? So I say, I'll do the fact saying he want to rise the thing, and he can't get to rise the thing. And basically it's like, he must say, yo, he can't believe say I'll feed him that day. I try for y'all. Give him on a conversation. You know what I mean? So I say to myself, so boy, I'm glad to be in a them situation because my woman loyal. You say, you know, I just know if you're loyal and
You
things
know
so I
I'm
can
not
feel.
hear that.
You know that man, so I'm glad to me and him in a different situation, so I'm sorry for him still. Why? I know say you're loyal. I know say you're loyal and everything good because I'm glad I'm in that same situation.
You know I'm not hear that.
I know you're not doing that, babe. I don't know that already. Yeah, man, that's why, hey, I couldn't dare by myself, you know. I couldn't dare by myself. But that's why I say to myself, say, no, man, it's a girl that loyal and, you know what I mean, we can build and we can do a thing and we can have life and make life. So, you know, I appreciate you. Glad to see you there, because no, man, yo, I don't want to, yo, you know, say me there a road and a man at my house. Have them something that would us, you know what I mean, but I don't breathe them vibes, right? So, me, you know, it's that pretty smile there. That'll drive me right, and that'll give me the fire, you know. You know what I mean? That'll burn my, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I appreciate you. So, you are one. We're just going to do it thing. But tomorrow, instead, come check it. So, I come do it thing and Hello?
I take Keisha.
Which Takisha? Which Takisha from where?
Up the road.
Oh, where you going it?
But there,
Eh,
I have something to tell you.
what you have to tell me?
I'm pregnant.
Hey, you're pregnant. You tell a baby father. Congratulations, man.
What do you mean that's better my baby father? I feel a picnic.
What you mean for me, picnic? Listen to me. Look, girl. Why you call me phone about foolishness, man? I'm your alone breeder.
I look a picnic.
No, my girl. Don't do that. Don't do that. If you come say me, and me leave me alone there. Or if you say, Mama, what you say? What you say to me, Mama? You're not easy. Listen, Takisha, Mama, don't try to make an idea. Give it to the next man. Do it, give it to Rexy or whatever your man name. Give it to him. Bright yourself. Now, come off my backside for me.
Hello. Ryan, make sure you're using condom. I am low radar coming at me.
Mama, I'm in radar, you know, me come outside, me not come inside.
You should have used protection.
So I can never have none for you.
Raw dog, no? Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Let me show you. You have to make it mine. Yo, let me tell you something, Mr. Raw dog.
Oh, this, yeah.
You ask who this? You well know me. And the guitarist this. Listen to me, Raw dog. You have to mind your picnic.
What's in the easy? Yo, no one else called me phone and said to me, tell a little girl, I say, hey, I just mind this up on the phone.
Let you ask this man. No worry, me know you, man. No worry, me know you. But you have to mind your picnic. Cause me now mind no jacket this year. You too careless.
I hear him live. Me don't know, me not even know this.
Yeah, you go around too. I'm going to talk about Mr. Radar. Come him. Come in and want him again. I can't tell me you use Radar. How will you him up?
Hello?
Hello, good night, sexy candy. With the round shape. It's Raw Dog, you know, producer Raw Dog. What you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I hope I'm not calling you at the wrong time, you know.
Well, it's almost the wrong time. Cause my man and him way coming home. Where are they with?
I'm here, but me send the rhythm to you, so you can probably make him hear it. But I'm just saying though, you look real nice today, you know. I was thinking about you earlier.
Oh, you send the rhythm, thanks. You never know. Where you send it on? WhatsApp or what?
Yeah, I sent it to your WhatsApp.
Oh, when me done, me have a look, man.
Alright then. So have you eaten already?
Yes.
Well, if I didn't know you a little longer, I would just come over there and just before your man come home, you know. But you know, Mr. Rada, I'm not rushing anything.
Anyway, may we have a look on the message you send, and when him come, me show him it. So what you want now? Cause them they talking the way you give me, you know, it sound like you're up to something.
Well, we can see where our food take us, you know. But let's just get to know each other first. What do you say about that sexy candy?
Me have my man, you know. And you know, say.
I'm not asking you anything about your man.
Yeah, but it sound like
don't insult me.
I not insult you, I just I tell you straight up, say me and my man, so I want to know where you're up to. You don't have no woman, you're single?
What you can do? We're big people, man. We're adults.
Alright then.
Don't stress yourself.
Alright.
No, it's normal. Raw dog. Doggy. Oh!
Alright, Mr. Raw Dog. I hear you. Where you laugh at?
Oh, sorry about that. I'm in the studio.
Okay. Cause me hear some people in the background, you know, what I'm talking about.
Oh, I'm in the studio, man. Some artists there is in the studio. I'm saying I'm here. I don't want to take up much of your time, so we shall get there, yeah?
Okay, alright then. Thanks for calling.
Alright, good night, sexy candy.
Alright, bye-bye. Good night.
Alright, let's What Francis? Action.
Look. What are they, man?
Stress the fuck.
Ah, Jesus.
Mama Candy, wait Candy. I'm going to turn this. Go out Candy. Let's come. I last one Candy. Go on now.
What's your phone? She come from?
When you don't go out that door, just wait 5
6
seconds.
seconds. Alright, yeah. Sorry, Spoonie. Go again,
Action.
Alright, so you should let this song go.
Yes,
Is that not beat? Start to cast. Next time, yo, you see you? Hey, look at smile like this. Hey, sure.
Hello?
Hello.
How this?
HIV, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Go on. So, you go on, raw dog. Go on. You're good. Oh, hang up. Lucky. You laugh. We all laugh.